Hello, my dear little ones. Welcome back to our grammar class. In last class, we have learned go, goes, do, and does. Signifies the present tense. How can we use verbs in present tense? We have already learned that, right? Today, we are going to study about past tense. What do you mean by past tense? Yes. When we talk about things that happened yesterday, something that has happened before, right? So let's move on to our lesson. Lesson 23. It happened yesterday. As the title says, the things that have happened past day or yesterday can be said in past tense. We have to change the verbs to past tense. Okay, to understand whether the incident is happening present condition or in past situation, there are certain words used as keywords. Which are they? They are yesterday, last week, last month, a year ago, last Monday, or a few hours ago. These are the keywords to understand whether that incident is happening now or in the past. Okay. See, here we have a table. First part of the table tells us past tense. Okay, tells us the things that have happened in present situation, which is happening at this present time. Okay, for these incidents we can see the sentences with keywords such as always, every day, usually, and often. If these words are present in that sentence, we will understand that these incidents are happening at this present condition or present situation now. Okay, and see the examples. I sing, we play, he sees a picture, the car moves, the old lady sleeps, the cuckoo sings sweetly. Next, I eat apples, he eats an ice cream. We have learned this go, goes, do, does. Okay, the boy wins a prize, we play chess, mother cooks in the kitchen, then father leaves for the office, then we go for shopping. These are the examples of the incidents that are happening at this present time. Okay, when we come to the past tense, we have to change these verbs. The words that are given in red color are the verbs or doing words. We have to change that into past tenses. We have already learned the past tense of sing. What is the past tense of sing? Yes, sang. And what is the past tense of play? Played. Then see, saw. Move, moved. Sleep, slept. So these are the past tenses. Okay. Now let's see the next part. If the incidents are happening in past time, we can see these words, keywords. Yesterday, last evening, last week, last year, last Sunday, few hours ago in the sentence. And look at the examples. Same examples given in present tense are given in past tense here. So you can notice the doing words in past tenses. I sang, we played, he saw, the car moved, the old lady slept, the cuckoo sang sweetly, I ate apples, he ate an ice cream. There are no adding or removing s or es when we are using in past tenses. Okay, we can simply use the past tense as it is. Third one, the boy won a prize. We played chess. Mother cooked in the kitchen. Father left for the office. We went for shopping. Along with these sentences, we will get some keywords such as yesterday, last evening, last week, last year, last Sunday, few hours ago, to understand the incident is happening, whether the incident is happening in past tense or not. Okay. There are certain actions that are done, that have done regularly as a routine. Those actions or incidents can be said in present tense itself, that is do or does manner. Okay, see the example. I always means it is an incident that is happening every day. I always play tennis in the evening. But last evening, the tense changes here. It becomes a past tense. Last evening, I played. Instead of play, we have used played here. I played badminton. Okay, always is a keyword for present tense. Last evening is a keyword for past tense. Look at this next example. Tommy runs after me every day. Runs after me every day. Two words. Runs is the doing word and every day is the keyword. Okay, when I come back from the school. The next joining word is also in present tense. Okay, come. Then look at the second example. But yesterday, keyword is given yesterday. So the incident is happening in past time. Okay. So yesterday he ran. Instead of run, we used ran, past tense of run. He ran after a cat. Okay. Every day Tommy the dog runs after me. It's a usual incident. Okay, it's a present situation. We can see it as a routine. But yesterday Tommy the dog ran after a cat. Okay. See, these are some present and past tenses. We have already learned this in our lessons. When we go through some stories, we have learned all these past tenses. Do you remember them? See, first one, was or were. Be. Be is the present situation. And beat. Again, beat. Become and past tense became. Begin, began. Come, came. Cost, cost. Cut, cut itself. Dig, dug. Do, did. Draw, drew. Drive, drove. Drink, drank. Eat, ate, etc. You have to learn the past tenses very well, otherwise you can't change the word into past tense if the situation is given in past tense. Okay, so study the past tenses of each doing word well. See, let's move towards the activities now. Tick the correct words in the bracket. Father often leaves or left for gym at 6 o'clock in the evening. Look at the keyword often. Keyword often signifies that this action happens every day. So we can say that this is an action that is happening every day and in present tense. Leaves. Okay. Then look at the second example. I go or went for horse riding every Sunday. Look at the keyword every Sunday. So we have to select the present tense of the verb. Which is the present tense of the verb go or went? Yes, it's go. I go for horse riding every Sunday. Third one. Look at the third one. Mr. Chopra reads or read a story in class last Monday. Last Monday is the keyword. It's past tense. So read, past tense doing word. Okay. Then fourth one, he always signifies, the keyword signifies that it is a routine habit. Okay. Always eats or ate. He, when the pronoun he is used, we have to use eats. Home cooked food now. Again we have another keyword now. Then fifth one, I forgot or forget to buy X last evening. Keyword is last evening, so it is happening in past tense. I forgot. Okay. Then sixth one, I go or went out for dinner last week. Keyword is last week, so go or went. Yes, went. Okay. Then seventh one, he usually locks or locked the door well before leaving, which is the keyword usually. So locks, present tense. Eighth one, she takes or took out a new dress and wore it to the party. See, the second part of the sentence is given in past tense. Okay, so the first part of the sentence should be in past tense. So she took out a new dress and wore it to the party. Okay, the incident is happening in the past time. Okay, then ninth one, Mohit wins or won the first prize a month ago. Ago is a keyword which signifies that the incident is happening in the past tense. Okay, so Mohit won the first prize a month ago. And tenth one, mother takes or took an apple and cut it with a sharp knife. We know that it is already, the activity is already did. Okay, so mother will take the apple before cutting it. No, so the answer will be mother took an apple and cut it with a sharp knife. Actually, this cut is in past tense. Okay, then 11th one, second part of the 10th sentence, second part of this sentence, that is cut it with a sharp knife, is in past tense. Present tense of cut is cut and past tense of cut is cut. Okay, same. Then look at this 11th example. Last evening, it's a keyword. I go or went. Present or past? Yes, past, because last evening is keyword. I went to the club. Yes. 12th one, I often. Keyword often is given here. So we have to use the present tense. I often write or writes. Yes, I write letters to my friends. Okay. Look at the next page. Activity B. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of the doing words given in the bracket. We have to check whether the incident is happening at the present time or in past time. Okay. And we have to change the given word into past tense if it is needed. First one, Minal liked the teddy bear. Liked. The first part of the sentence is given in past tense. Minal liked the teddy bear. She played with it. Played. Okay. Then second one, Vinay dashed the boat across the river yesterday. So it is happening in past tense. Rode. Okay, Vinay rowed the boat across the river yesterday. Then look at the third example. Tinkerbell often dash the flowers. Often is a keyword for present tense. So, visit. It's a singular person, so visits. Okay. Fourth one. Look at the fourth one. The carpenter dash tables with wood. Carpenter always makes tables with wood, right? So, make. Here, carpenter is on singular. So, carpenter is singular. So, makes. Then fifth one, my friend often dash some storybooks for me. Often signifies that the present situation or present tense. My friend often brings some storybooks for me. My friend, this is singular one. So brings. Okay. Then sixth one, the boy was very thirsty. He dashed all the water in the jug. The boy was, first part of the sentence in past tense, so the incident is happening in past tense. So he drank. Past tense of drink is drank all the water in the jug. Okay. Then seventh one, the dog saw a stranger. Saw is in past tense. It dashed at the man. It barked at the man. Eighth one, Vinith was happy. Again, the sentence is in past tense. Vinith was happy when the kite fly up in the sky. Fly or flew? Yes, the first part of the sentence is in past tense, so we have to use flew. Okay. Yes. Next activity C. Fill in the blanks with correct form of doing words given in the brackets and complete the story. Usually stories are always told in past tenses, so you have to change each of the doing word into past tense. Okay. Do you like stories? Yes, many of you like stories. So let's read the story and complete this story with past tenses. Okay. First sentence of the story. A monkey was very hungry. It dashed a chapati. It get a chapati. Get is the word. We have to change it into got. Got is the past tense of get. Okay. Another monkey dashed to take chapati away from me. Come. Come is the doing word. So we have to change it into past tense by came. Like came. Another monkey came to take the chapati away from him. Both the monkeys dashed fighting for the chapati. Start is the doing word. We have to change it into past tense. Started. Both the monkeys started fighting for the chapati. A cat dashed the monkeys fighting. Cat sees or saw. It is a story, so we have to use past tense. Cat saw the monkeys fighting. It came close without making any noise. Then the cat dashed on the chapati. Yes, jumped on the chapati. And dashed away with it. Ran away with it. Okay. Then the last part of the story. The monkeys dash fighting stop becomes stopped. They dashed down and were sad. What is the past tense of sit? Sat. They sat down and were sad. They did not fight after that day. Okay, my dear children, did you understand? We have to complete the story in past tense. Usually stories are told in past tense. Okay, so that's why we are changing each of the doing words given in bracket into past tenses. Hope it is clear. My dear children, do watch the video carefully and try to complete the textbook. Study well, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.